Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to remove followers on Instagram quickly and easily. If you want to manage your followers and control who can see your posts, now let's get started. Step 1, open Instagram on your phone. This is where all your followers and profile settings are managed. Step 2, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. This opens your personal account page. Step 3, tap followers to see the full list of people who follow you. This lets you review and manage your audience. Step 4, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the follower you want to remove. This helps you locate them quickly without scrolling endlessly. Step 5, tap the X icon next to their name. This initiates the removal process so they no longer follow you. Step 6, confirm the removal if prompted. Once confirmed, the follower will no longer see your private posts or story updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple Instagram tips and tutorials.